Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linking. In this tutorial, we will learn how to draw a beautiful scenery together. In the heart of nature's embrace, where the sun kisses the horizon, lies a mesmerizing circle scenery. As dawn breaks, golden rays paint the sky with the hues of warmth, causing a gentle glow over the majestic mountains. The sun ascends, illuminating the towering peaks, creating a breathtaking backdrop against the canvas of the sky. Amidst this picturesque landscape stand tall, proud pine trees, their emerald branches reaching toward the heavens. Their tranquil presence adds depth and character to the scene as they sway gracefully in the whispering breeze. Each needle glistens with morning dew, reflecting the sunlight like a thousand tiny jewels. The air is alive with a symphony of nature, birds chirping, leaves rustling, and streams babbling in harmony. A scene of serenity washes over the scene, inviting one to pause and bask into its tranquility. It's a sanctuary for the soul, a place where time stands still and worries fade away. With each passing moment, the landscape evolves, painting a new masterpiece. With each brushstroke of light and shadow, clouds dance across the azure sky, casting fleeting shadows over the rolling hills below. The mountains stand still, their rugged peaks a testament to the passage of time. As the day unfolds, the sun begins its descent, casting a warm orange glow over the landscape. Shadows lengthen and the mountains are bathed in hues of purple and blue. The pine trees stand silhouetted against the fading light, their branches reaching out like dark fingers against the twilight sky. So come immerse yourself in this enchanting landscape and let its magic awaken your scenery and soothe your spirit. Thanks for watching.